So in this video, this person in the van is trying to change lanes by swinging their door open, and the driver with the car with the dash cam is trying not to let them in. First off, if someone wants to change lanes, just let them in. Let off the gas and let them in. It's not that big a deal. They're just trying to get from point A to point B. They didn't wake up in the morning just to try to ruin your life. So don't take it personally. Second, if you're trying to change lanes, there's probably a better way to signal that you want to change lanes instead of swinging your door open. Turn signals might not work because in some cities, if you turn your turn signal on, people will speed up to try to close the gap like this person is doing. They're trying to close the gap so that this car can't get in. So I understand why this van, or the driver of the van did it, but there's probably a better way without risking your driver's door from being smashed off by some idiot driver. The window's open here. You can just stick your arm out the window, and that'll suffice usually to let people know that there's a person in the vehicle. It's not just a machine, and they don't have to try to fight with them. So if someone's trying to get in, just let them in. It's not that big a deal. And if using your turn signals isn't enough, just stick your arm out the window. That's usually enough, and you can stick your head out the window and say, hey, I'm trying to get in, and people will usually let you in. So let's all be safer, more responsible drivers, and just let people change lanes. It's not that big a deal. It'll prevent road rage too. So just let them in. Let's all be safer, more responsible drivers.